Alright, we got the red Corvette here today. Check it out. Everything looks great when it's in the shade, right? So we'll get a light put on it. I'll show you what it really looks like. Alright, so we're about to get started. Well, I guess I'm about to get started. You guys can, like, you'll see it. But I gotta get the car washed first, decontaminated. There's really, I mean, it's garage kept. There's not really much contaminants on it, but it's best to remove as much as you can before you do this process, just so you don't create any other defects by catching those contaminants. What happens is they actually build up in your pad, and then through that they create defects because of the buildup of heat on the surface, and then it's like, you know, it's a dirty surface and it drags and it creates, you know, those pigtails and other different types of defects that are created from not properly decontaminating the exterior. You still get a good result. Like, you're not gonna, most people aren't gonna see those tiny imperfections, but it's best to fully decon, iron, and clay bar if needed. Most cars need it, so it's best to just do the whole 9, right? So I'm gonna get started on that, and the next time you guys see me, I'll probably be polishing paint. I do have to buy blue tape today. I can't find mine, unfortunate. For anyone curious how I get my garage set up, it's basically just the car in this little walkway area. I have my extension cords, and I just run them. I unplug the water heater, obviously. I have to unplug this stuff to even work down here. In my opinion, it's about ridiculous. But you know what? When you're building something and it's gonna be, how do you say this? Fruitful, it's gonna have longevity. I think that putting in the work, having to do that, this is part of the story, you know, like it's a part of the process, just like anything else. Some people wouldn't share that, or they'd feel be shameful about it. It's not a big deal. It is a source of power. So, I mean, there's detailers saying they're fully mobile, and they're still asking clients where the outlet is. So, shame on you for not investing in a generator, but not shame on you if you're building your business. But if you've had, you know, the funds and you could have funded a generator to level your business up and you're neglecting to do that, shame on you. But not shame on you if you're building. Build away. Keep stacking them Lego blocks. They add up. But got the Roush outside right now. We're gonna get started.
Can I talk my shit now? I was playing 2-hand touch, fuck it up, it's a hit now. When I hit the road, do a show, hit a lick, then I skip town. Run up in the spot, no dance, and I make them all get down. Boy, you better sit down. Yeah. Ain't nothing fancy, I'm still broke. Cross town like Yancey, I will throw. They say I'm in a spot they would kill for. I could put them in the wheel and they still won't. I could probably get a deal with Coke if I wasn't rapping about the past back dealing dope. Got the offer and it's real low. Over 1 mil and it's still low. They all corporate, they all cute in suits. They on bullshit with all that poop to scoop. My shit going up, I go roof to roof. They don't like that, they want mute the truth. They gon' switch sides, they go group to group. They want shoot the shit, ain't got shit to shoot till I go crazy. Go and get the baby shark and hit him with the do-do-do-do-do-do. Damn, big boy, you gotta shoot it with 2 hands. Couple John Doe come through like who's man's. Blue ball, now she do it like 2 grams. Everyone I lose, abuse the fuse hands. I'm right there on the edge of insanity. Overlooking Vegas, overthinking my vanity. You've been throwing shade, I'm enjoying the canopy. Everybody dies, so I live out of fantasy. Yeah, can I talk my shit now? I was playing 2-hand touch, fuck it up, it's a hit now. When I hit the road, do a show, hit a lick, then I skip.
Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, happy Saturday. Go Bills, most importantly. But here's the deal. This morning, we're out here with the Corvette. We're taking this bad boy over to my homie Bradley with BWA Detailing. I don't even know what he's gonna do. I'm really excited to get the Corvette looking mean and clean. We're gonna be dropping it off with him. Go pick it up tomorrow and see how good it looks, but stay tuned. All right, we just got down here. We got the Corvette rocking and rolling. We got my guy here, so let's dive in and check him out.
I'm going to go over this entire car, 5-inch, 3-inch, 2-inch, 1-inch pads, and I'm going to remove all of those swirls, all of those imperfections that you saw when I put the light on the paint. And when this car is released out of this garage, back underneath the sunlight of Nevada, it's going to look insane. It's going to look brand new. It's going to look like 1989 again, of course.
Can I talk my shit now?
Yo, this thing looks fucking incredible. Holy shit.
Holy shit. Dude, you were kidding.
This shit looks
Went from the 89 to 2000.
It's not going to look like 1989 when I'm done with it, I promise.
This is beautiful,
shit,
man. Wow. I've never seen it this good. Congratulations, man. It's beautiful.
I'm about to pass back dealing dope. Got the offer and it's real low. Over 1 mil and it's still low. They all corporate, they all cute in suits. Yeah, on bullshit with all that poop to scoop. My shit going up, I go roof to roof. They don't like that, they want mute the truth. They gon' switch sides, they go group to group. They want shoot the shit, ain't got shit to shoot till I go crazy. Go and get the baby shark and hit him with the do-do-do-do-do-do. Damn, big boy, you gotta shoot it with 2 hands. Couple John Doe come through like whose man's. Blue ball, nah, she blew it like 2 grams. Everyone I lose, abuse the fuse hands. I'm right there on the edge of insanity. Overlooking Vegas, overthinking my vanity. You been throwing shade, I'm enjoying the canopy.